Hey everybody, it's Tom from Vehicle Visionary. I hope you're having a great day. This is the 2024 Hyundai Santa Fe. It's the limited trim level, and if you are looking for how you can reset how far this power tailgate opens, here's how you do it. It's very simple. If you need to lower it, let's just say you need to lower it or raise it. It's going to work either way, the same way. So I've changed the height. I'm going to hold this button down and listen for the beeps. That's what you need to hear, those two beeps right there. So now I'm going to close the tailgate. We'll let that close down all the way, and you'll see when I open it another time, a second time here, that it's going to open to that same height where I just set it. And obviously, if you want to reset it to its maximum opening height, depending on your situation and what you need to do, you're going to do it the same way. If there is a particular tutorial on the fully redesigned Santa Fe you want to see, tell me in the comments section, and I will make that video for you. Thanks for taking the time to watch. If you want to see a full video on this Santa Fe, check out the pinned comment down in the comments section.